Welcome to our food journey. Today, we're counting down the top 5 iconic Japanese dishes you absolutely must try. Delicious, traditional, unique taste. Let's start with sushi. Sushi is more than just raw fish. It's a delicate balance of vinegared rice, fresh toppings, and beautiful presentation. Dating back to the Edo period, sushi comes in many forms like nigiri, maki, and tamaki. The art of sushi lies in the freshness of the ingredients and the skill of the chef. It's a symbol of Japanese culinary precision and creativity. Whether enjoyed at a high-end restaurant or a local conveyor belt spot, sushi offers a unique experience with every bite. Next is sashimi. Unlike sushi, sashimi is all about the purity of raw fish. Served with soy sauce and wasabi, sashimi highlights the freshness of the seafood and the precision of the slicing. Each piece is carefully cut to enhance texture and flavor. Sashimi is a true test of a chef's knife skills and respect for the ingredients. It's a simple yet refined dish that lets the natural flavors shine. Now let's talk about tempura shrimp. Tempura was introduced to Japan by Portuguese traders in the 16th century. Today, shrimp tempura is a beloved favorite, light, crispy, and golden. The secret is in the batter and the quick frying technique, which keeps the shrimp juicy inside and perfectly crisp outside. Tempura is often served with a light dipping sauce and grated daikon. Moving on to miso salmon. This dish is a modern fusion combining the richness of salmon with the umami depth of fermented miso paste. The salmon is marinated, then grilled or baked to perfection. Miso glazed salmon is flavorful, healthy, and beautifully caramelized. It's a favorite in both Japanese homes and restaurants. Finally, uni or sea urchin. Uni is a luxurious delicacy prized for its creamy oceanic flavor. It's often served raw atop sushi rice and is considered a true treat for adventurous eaters. The taste of uni is unlike anything else, rich, briny, and melt in your mouth. It's a highlight at sushi bars and a must-try for seafood lovers. These 5 dishes represent the heart and soul of Japanese cuisine. Which one would you try first? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Japanese dish. See you next time.